Have you ever imagined if the reality we know was just one of infinite existing possibilities? What if I told you that in 2024, scientists may have accidentally opened a window into something that previously only existed in science fiction movies? Get ready for a story that will challenge everything you thought you knew about the limits of quantum computing and reality itself. In a seemingly ordinary laboratory, during a routine test of the Willow quantum chip, something extraordinary happened. Sensors began detecting inexplicable processing patterns, as if the chip was performing calculations somewhere beyond our own space-time. Scientists, initially skeptical, soon realized they were facing something that transcended our current understanding of quantum physics. But before we dive into this revolutionary discovery, we need to understand what makes the Willow chip so special. Unlike traditional computers we know, which process information in bits, 0 south and 1 south, Willow operates with qubits, quantum bits that can exist in multiple states simultaneously, thanks to a phenomenon called quantum superposition. During a series of routine experiments, researchers noticed something extraordinary. The Willow chip was producing results that seemed impossible according to our laws of physics. Analysis showed that processing was happening faster than the speed of light would allow, something that, theoretically, would be impossible in our universe. The explanation? The chip appeared to be accessing a parallel computational space, a dimension where the rules of physics we know don't apply in the same way. Imagine as if Willow had found a shortcut through the very fabric of reality, allowing it to perform calculations in a place where time and space work differently. To contextualize the magnitude of this discovery, let's make a comparison. If traditional computers are like cars traveling on a road, Willow would be like an airplane that discovered it can create dimensional portals to reach its destination. It's not just flying over the road, it's literally bending spacetime to reach its goal. Some numbers to impress. Willow managed to solve in seconds problems that would take millions of years to be solved by conventional supercomputers. The detected quantum interference patterns suggest interactions with up to 10 parallel states simultaneously. The observed energy efficiency defies known thermodynamic laws, with energy consumption 99.99% lower than theoretically necessary. But here's the most intriguing part. Scientists discovered that Willow isn't simply processing information faster. It appears to be outsourcing part of its calculations to parallel versions of itself. It's as if the chip had discovered a way to distribute its workload across multiple realities, each contributing to the final solution. This raises deep philosophical questions. When Willow performs a calculation, is it really interacting with other versions of our universe? Are we witnessing the first concrete proof of the existence of the multiverse? Imagine the possibilities. Climate simulations that can predict natural disasters years in advance. Development of personalized medicines through perfect simulation of molecular interactions. Optimization of transport routes that could end congestion in large cities. Economic forecasts that could prevent global financial crises. Artificial intelligence algorithms that could solve problems like world hunger and climate change. However, like any great discovery, Willow brings with it a series of concerns. The main one is security. If the chip can access parallel dimensions to perform calculations, is there a risk that information or even entities from other realities could leak into our universe? Moreover, there are ethical concerns. If Willow is really interacting with other dimensions, what are the moral implications of using computational resources from parallel realities? Are we inadvertently affecting other universes? Scientists continue to study and try to fully understand Willow's capabilities. Each new test reveals more surprising possibilities, and the global scientific community is abuzz with the implications of this technology. Some predictions for the coming years. Development of a new generation of quantum chips based on Willow technology. Creation of a quantum internet that could revolutionize telecommunications. Significant advances in areas such as personalized medicine and climate prediction. Possible development of interdimensional communication technologies. This discovery isn't just a technological advancement, it's a turning point in human history. For the first time, we have tangible evidence that reality is much more complex and interconnected than we imagined. Willow isn't just a quantum chip, it's a window to the impossible. A reminder that the limits of the possible are only temporary. Imagine a future where diseases currently incurable can be treated through ultra-precise medical simulations. The energy crisis is solved through quantum resource optimization. Space exploration is revolutionized by instant navigation calculations. Global communication is instantaneous and interference-free. As scientists and researchers continue to unravel Willow's mysteries, one thing is certain: we are on the threshold of a new era in human history. An era where the boundaries between possible and impossible become increasingly thin. And what do you think about these revolutionary discoveries? How do you imagine this technology could impact your life? Leave your comment below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep up with the latest news about the Willow quantum chip and other fascinating scientific discoveries. The Willow quantum chip isn't just a technological evolution. It's a revolution in our understanding of reality. As we continue to explore its capabilities, each new discovery reminds us that the future we imagined in science fiction movies might be closer than we thought. Remember, history shows us that much of what we consider normal today was once seen as impossible in the past. Willow makes us question, what else do we consider impossible today that will become reality tomorrow? Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and share this video with your friends. Together, let's explore the limits of the possible and impossible.